Yo, what up, CT? Yo, what up, Mike? What up, Flip? Flip, Flip. Oh man, dude, I'll be honest with you. I had a lot of you got to bring up a lot of shit. I didn't have any of my shit up. I should have chopped straight when I was up. Yo, I mean, I feel like I brought some energy to the stream, right? Hold on, I can still hear you. I gotta fix my freaking camera. I'm fixing my camera. Oh man, you guys liked? Yo, thanks, Ellie. What up, DBT? Yeah, I had I'm just getting yeah, geez, code. Oh. What up, Vince? What's crack-a-lacking? I want to get some of these up too. Dude, I gotta set up my I gotta pull this over. Oh man, what up, Sean? I think it went good for how long it was. I think she just needs to like really. I don't know. I think they just need to change up that. Barbie should lead it. To be honest with you, she's pretty good. What up, Mama Tick? Man, dude, I missed some good fucking plays. Dude, I got in at the bottom on this freaking drop earlier. I got in right around here. We're just hanging out in this breaker now. Yo, what up, Waldo? What's up, Marie? Barbie's a good trader. I have no idea, to be honest. Yeah, I think they position the stream. They should make it less about that. They should make it less about the codes, to be honest with you. The whole chat is filled with that. Come on, get it right to this imbalance. Come on. I'm just looking to turn this. There we go. Hario Garcia, welcome to the stream, brother. What up? Let's get fucking rocking here. Oh man. All right, so that was the first scalp just to get the freaking party going. Lobber Dobber. What up? Yo, we were tossing feces. Bro, everybody's on there. It's like every 2 seconds. It's code. Like they need to make it more about the trades. Bro, that opening trade fucking ripped, by the way. Opening trade ripped faces off. Then Jolts came out, pushed us up, and then we dropped. I don't know why we dropped. Yo, it was straight banger. Straight banger. Yo, what up, Oliver? Yo, CT, that's why I don't trade the news candles during the day. So here's something you should know about. During the day news, because there's so much volume in and out, I feel like the news candles don't go as much. Why? When you have like that after hours or pre-market news, it over exaggerates because there's less orders in. Oh man. Dude. You caught 20 points off Jolts. Yeah, I mean, listen, can you? Yeah, I mean, even this Jolts went. I mean, you could have gotten it at 98. You could have gotten 20 points today. I'm just saying that's why I don't do it. You have 4 alarms? What do you have? The 350 alarm? What other alarms do you have? What's the other 3? I'm going to start off with some shit PAs, to be honest with you. The PAs that need the most work, that have the smallest drawdown. Yo, Oliver, you made an indicator? Yo, put it in the Discord so people can look at it. I'll smash the indicator rocket ship. I'll give you a rocket ship, Oliver, to help move your indicator up the ladder. Everyone give Oliver a red rocket on the indicator. Yeah. Throw it in there though. Cove. Only big red rockets. That's the only red rockets there are. Yeah, Oliver. Hell yeah. Give you the support, man. Is that your first indicator that you made? Dude, what, London Open code? Did you play 3 o'clock? Man, this looks like it's going to break eventually to the upside, like target up here. Yo, you got to ask yourself who bought him stock this last night after the news dropped. Holla at your boy. Unless it did just dump. No, it came all the way back down. Jeez. What was that? Dude, did they have bad fucking news? Oh. Dude, what just happened? Dude, what was the news? How'd it go from up 18% to even? I'm going to fucking... Dude, I'm going to write some puts. It's crazy. Bro, I keep losing funded on BS. What are you doing, Dell? Come on, keep pushing. I got to lock in gains, though, because this account's kind of smoked. I need to build up the drawdown. The drawdown's only 800 bucks. Got to lock in gains. I'm tired of not locking in gains, to be honest with you. Not locking in gains has not been... There we go. Dude, I'm telling you, man, that's what it's all about. What up, Racer? Hit it and quit it, baby. Dude, I sold, but listen, I got to take profits in these shit accounts that are kind of down. You know, I got to start. This one's got $400 of drawdown. I need like $100 trade in this one, $200 trade, get it back. These markets don't move like they used to. I think it went super fucking crazy at one point. Yo, at one point, it was like that crazy chick that you met at the bar at 4 a.m. on Saturday that you decided to hang out and go to Sunday brunch with, and then you realized how crazy she was. And now you're dating another girl who's like normal. Maybe you met her on, I don't know, Christian Finder or J8, and she's like a normal person. And, you know, and you're comparing her to the girl you met at 4 a.m. at Henry's local bar. It's not going to be the same market. That's all. What up, Corey? What up? What up? Yo, you missed that freaky thing. I know. Even when you're with the other girl, you miss the old freaky. That's why we miss those markets of 30.1 minute candles. You miss it getting it down like that. Now you know you're wearing buttoned up cardigans. This market's got cardigans on. There's no back tattoo here. This market is not that anymore. Need some tariff talk to get back to the other one. What up, Desmond? Yo, they don't dress the same or smell the same. No, completely different. This is that conservative market. Bro, this is you got to go on 12 dates for this market. What up, Discipline? Oh man, Desmond. What up, TiVo? Yo, no tramp stamp with some other dude's name on it. Yo, I loved when we were moving around. That thing, dude, that market was crazy. I made money in that market. That money, I loved it. I love that market a lot. Yo, what up, Lord? What up? What up? Yo, Dell. I mean, right now you're kind of flagging up here. I don't know if you're gonna get a pullback. This might be the pullback. Yo, what up, Walter? Yo, you know what I got yesterday? Bro. The Robinhood Gold Card. 3% cash back. Wait, dude. Oh, I have a take profit? Fuck me, man. All right, whatever. I needed that. That was a good win. I'm just trying to stack. Just tap these things. I don't want to push them. Dude, it took me out. I didn't realize the stop was. I didn't realize I had such a small take profit. Got to pay your rent for the year? I like it. I definitely like where it's at to the upside. Pump it. Let's fucking go. I'm debating right now. Oh, dude, there's like a little fruit fly in here. 660? John, there's always more moves to be had in the day. Always more moves. There's always more until the lights come on at night. We're all good. Just keep it moving. Wait to the next setup. Oh. $60-minute order block, bottom 770. I will say I have to just edit this thing. It fucking got to do my settings here. I didn't even see it on the freaking chart. A little bit more, a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, I'm all locked and loaded now. I mean, if you're not in long, I don't know. I mean, I do like that we're consolidating right here. You want to stay right above right here. You want to stay right above the 9, right above the initial imbalance. We come back through. I'll probably sell it. Oh. All right, I'm taking this off. It didn't get filled. We're bouncing. Just looking. I didn't even pull up the freaking stream on the other side. Dude, that was a good trade right off the bottom of this thing. I took it for like 5 points. Stupid. stupid stuff. Oh my God. Yeah, Waldo. Yeah, I just activated one. It was a Hyundai. That's a good freaking deal. It's a really good deal. Dude, 250K. Better hold on to that one. That's my favorite line from Dumb and Dumber. When he's going through the IOUs and they're on the bed, the guy opens up the briefcase, all the money is gone, and all it is IOUs, and he picks one up, and it's 250K because it's for the Lambo. He's like, 250K IOU. He's like, better hold on to that one. Oh man, that movie's amazing. Uh 660 fair value gap test on the 60. I mean, it rejected right there. Bro, Pine, you got to go watch that. You got a nice set of Hooters there. The Owls behind you. The moped. The moped's great. And then when you think the movie is completely done, all the girls for like Miss America pull up in a chartered bus, and they're like, we're looking for two guys that want to oil us up for the next 3 months. And and they ask for directions also. And like, oh, you could find some guys at the town that way. And they're all confused. And then the bus starts leaving. And they're like, Harry, do you know what you've just done? And he chases down the bus, starts slamming on it. And he's like, sorry, my friend's a little slow. The town is actually that way. Bro, that shit's amazing. Oh, man. Yeah, Desmond. So you're saying there's a chance? Oh. What up, Vicious? I do all that. Eminem. Oh, man. Dude, this is just going for it. Oh, I'm just looking. Dude, I'm just freaking. Oh. I didn't see this coming, to be honest with you. You're holding with 2 micros? I mean, this is just going for it. Yo, the pivot point's at 85. Do I dare take a little... Actually, I'm done for the day in this account. I was going to take a short at 85, but maybe I'll wait. I'll do it in one of these. You're holding with 2 micros from 100 points behind. I think we're going to see 85 is what I'm shooting for. That's the pivot point. I'll take a short there, and we'll see what happens. The bare minimum, it's a short scalp. So it would be a quickie, possibly. Possibly a quickie coming up. Possibly not. We'll see what happens. Oh. Come on. I got my order in. I'm just waiting now. Come on, baby. Now we just sit and wait. Oh, jeez. Right? Why isn't the pivot points on here? There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, baby. I think we're going to get our little flag. We're going to hit here, and then we're going to reject. That's what I'm guessing. That's my guess. Oh. Come on. Don't roll over yet. You got to just go up just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Like 50 said, just a little bit. Come on. Oh. Yo, Dell. Oh, by the way, if you guys missed it last night, we had live trading in the Discord for Asia session. A couple of the members shared their own screen, their own setups, and I think it was a really productive talk. If you guys want to join, it's just in the Discord on the left. It will get turned on at for Asia. And it's a voice chat, so you can raise your hand and you could talk and do all the stuff that you want to do. Come on, baby. What did Discord trade? I think they were trading NQ and gold, PG. Dell trades gold, Flip trades gold. They were talking NQ also. They were, you can raise your hand if you want and get on voice and talk and share your screen as well. Like it's pretty open communication over there. I think everyone had a pretty good time. Yeah, I agree with you on that. I definitely agree with you on that. Oh, man. Come back up to the pivot point. Let me short it. Let's go, baby. Come on. Get up. Come on, baby. Please. I'm looking for shorts at the pivot point at 685. I'm looking for a short. 685. Daddy looking for a short. That's what I'm looking for. Just hanging, watching, waiting. Man, there hasn't been much movement, though. I will say a lower high, we go under 52. It doesn't look promising to hit my target. That I will say, you could take that to the bank. Yo, who's in here? Yo, what up, Lenny? Marco? Kyle's in here. What's up, guys? Nathan White? James? What up, James? Net Baba Elmi? Prelim? Anybody in a trade right now? Just kind of sitting here freaking waiting. I'm contemplating shorting it. Contemplating. You're just waiting too? Yeah. See, you got an hourly sweep. Maybe I shorted it and 660 is my stop. Where's 660? It's fucking tight. We're right there. I'm thinking right now, thinking what I want to do. Do I want to short this right now? Stop out at 64? Whatever. Just flash it down. I'm risking very little money here. We're keeping this tight. Super tight. You're getting oversold on the one, which I don't like. I'm just looking for one quick flash down at 48 and then back up. Of course, I had to play it because I'm a fucking... Here we go. This is the move back up. Why won't this let me draw it? Oh, my God. Why is this being such a little bitch? I'm kind of breaking out of this, kind of pushing up stochastics. Am I in 2? Oh, motherfuck. I'm in 2. I don't have drawdown for this bullshit. Oh, wait. I do have drawdown. Interesting. What up, Marie? Only for Marie. Marie, you got 10 seconds to do it. Go, Marie. Once Marie does it, it shuts off. It should have let you in, Dell. Oh my God. Yo, it didn't even... Did it? It says that you're in here. I don't know why it didn't go on the chat, but it says that you're in here. Got to be on the stream when it's open. Come on and push, man. Yeah, I don't know why it says that. I want to see us hit this pivot point right here. 686. 686 would be a home run. Come on. At least get me out of this one contract, you know? Just get me out of one contract right here. So at least I can put the other half to break even. Oh, it's right there. Free trade, baby. Free trade. Dude, I'm just gonna keep pushing this up. Fuck that. I'll just keep pushing my stop up. All right. Dude, that was a solid trade. 90 plus. Bro, that was $300. 300 duelers. Yo, it got you. It got you. I don't know why it didn't say that everybody's in, but a lot of you guys that are asking are in. I don't know why it didn't. I don't know what's going on. I'm just telling you. I see it. I seen it. I've seen it. In. What up, Cody? I'm going to have to go all in on this one. I got to get up to $9,000 and I'm at $1,800. My drawdown is beat. We're going to have to risk it for the biscuit on this one. We're going to risk it for the biscuit here, people. So 86. Let's see if it holds. I'm trying to let's see if it just fucking dumps. If we come down to like 75, there. Now at least it's free. I don't want to fake down and then we go higher. So I'm just kind of protecting my gains here. Protecting the gains. If this candle flips green, that is no bueno. Either way, it's a $200 flip. Bro, DGen mode activated? Yo, what up, Dean Lou? What up, what up? Yo, Cody, you in any trades right now? Dude, this is an eval? Hold on one second. Dude, this eval is about to get smoked. Smoke-eloped. Come on. Let's see what happens. If it blows past the pivot, it's definitely going for more gains. Yo, you locked in that $200, Cody? Yeah. That's what you got to do is just lock in your days, man. People don't realize that. People are always trying to get more and more and more. It's just like, just lock the days in, secure the bag, and then move on. What up, Hid? Coach Hid? What's going on? I'm trying to just short it at the pivot point, see what happens. It's not a funded account trade. It's definitely eval-esque. It's risky. The only reason I'm taking it is how far we've gone to touch the pivot. I would assume that we're going to pull back maybe to 50. I want to see a dip low. Same thinking, yeah. That's kind of what that's what I have on my vision board. Yo, that's on my vision board right now. Super risky. I mean, if you got short right at the pivot, you're up. You can always go down or go to break even right now to make it a break even trade, which is probably a smart idea to do. All seriousness, I'm going to move mine to basically break even. It's not, but if it goes over that, I got to assume it's going to break the pivot point and the trade is busted. So that's what I'm thinking. But we got the rejection initially. I want to see it break the 9 to the downside and probably grab at least 10 points off of this thing from here. Yo, look at this trade. Yo, look at this shit. Come on. Come on. Hello? All right. Either way, that was a good trade. 55 and 215. So, what up, K Moore? Anybody want to be a speaker for Lunch Crew? Oh yeah, today at lunch, you can share your screen. You could talk. You could ask questions about your setup. It's all going to take place in Discord. So if you want to go over there in Discord, Dell is going to head it up, and you guys can do that. K Moore trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. I still think that could have been the top, by the way. Just throwing it out there. That could definitely be the top. Oh, man. I am looking, let's see. I want to see this flip, come down, retest, and then down. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I think the play is. But we shall see. We shall see. I mean, we haven't gone anywhere since 11 o'clock, really. Anybody eating anything good for lunch? What do we got here? Oh, what up, Donna? Donna H in the house. What's up? How are things going on your end? Honestly, there's no selling pressure at all. If you look, there's zero selling pressure. They might hit this 34 and just bounce it. If you're in short, you're up from where we got in. So, you know, it is what it is. But selling pressure is just not there right now. Well, nice to see you on that other show, Cove. You made a good. Yo, you know what? I wasn't reading the chat. Was the chat liking it, Jim Blab? The chat was liking the show. Yo, McDonald's, bro. I'm not gonna lie, man. So I eat pretty healthy. I had McDonald's this weekend, bro. That shit was like crack. I loved it. I mean, geez, was that good? That shit was so good. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I had that and I was like, Phew. I was like, wow. Wow, wow. Yeah. Do I grab it? Do I grab a long right off of this? Do I or do I not? That is the question. I'm not looking for a long time. I'm looking for a good time here. Just maybe test this 9 real quick. Scout me some points. And be out. Possibly. I'm out. I didn't like that. I didn't like that where it touched it and rejected right away. Man, I have like a headache. London closed, bro. Your short TP just hit. I mean, that's pretty much where you would want it at. I mean, we shorted the very top. I literally called out 686. If you look, I mean, we hit this pivot point and rejected. I mean, that was to the fucking dollar. You can't really ask for a better entry than that. It was literally the top that we got. Huh. Man, I will say the markets have not, like, if you really zoom out, you really had like, I kind of want to take this to keep grinding up. Anyone else feel that way? Like we're just going to keep grinding up? Yo, I hit the buy button here. It didn't buy me in yet. Yo, hold on, guys. Hold on 1 second. I got to take this. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, yo. What's up? What's up, Amelia? Yeah, my kids had field day today, and my wife's at field day, and you know, all that all that stuff's going on. So, hey man, when the wife calls and I got to pick up the phone. So, sorry for anybody that's watching. It's just the way it is, you know. Got to pick it up, you know. Smashed $100 trade real quick though. Freaking love that. Love that a lot. What do we got going on here? I'll be honest with you. The mornings have not been great. Yeah, Racer. That's the way it is. My wife calls. I got to pick up, especially if she's with my kids. Trading is all secondary. This, though, looks... kind of wanted to see it come up to this imbalance. I got to get my other shit up on my charts. Hold on one second. All my stuff is all messed up ever since I got on that stream today. I got to reset up like my whole crap. Come on, baby. I'm going to break even just in case. Break even just in case. If it goes, it goes. All right, whatever. I don't want to end up with a $200 loss at 1141, even though it looks good. Oh, is it going to go? Is it going to fucking just go? Dude, the funny thing is every time I leave for lunch, this shit ends up running. Every time I leave for lunch, it just runs. What up, Vivek? Yo, Code, are you having barbecue? I know you have barbecue a lot. You got some good barbecue over there? Damn, it fucking went. It went. Oh, jeez. Should have held in. I should have held. Dude, no way. You have barbecue in France? Wait. France has barbecue? Is that horse meat? Are you eating horse meat? Like the Dothraki over in Game of Thrones? Is that what you're doing? What the? I've never had a horse steak. I'd never heard of a horse steak. It's good. Is it horse meat? Is that what it is, PG? Or Code? It's horse meat. Locals are grinding it. Yo, I didn't know that. I didn't know France had barbecue. Gator tail. Yeah, gator tail is good. Yo, Jim Blab, you just had horse sausage, also known as horse. You know what? Yo, can I get a big horse source sausage? Uh, Roa, what up? Off the hook feast over here. Party all night. Yo, you ate that thing with two hands? People do not eat horse in North America that I know of, at least. I'd never had gator ribs. Gator ribs are new. Yo, what up, Deba? Yo, donkey sausages, man, all day. Yo, I grab two hands on that and have a friend help me with a third hand. I think this is gonna just blast off into fucking space. This is not a great trade at all. No. Oh, why is it so fucking difficult to? Bro, is everyone eating horse but me? I feel like I'm gonna miss out on this, and this is gonna just fucking rip. Yo, Trump is speaking to XI on Friday. That could be big news. White House sources. Bro, I wonder if that hasn't made its rounds yet. Yo, did you hear about that Donald Trump news? Donald Trump's talking to China president on Friday. Yo. I'm curious if they pump this shit. Bro, there's a lot of Dell. That's way too much for me, bro. Yeah, I mean, this is just out. Trump is sitting down with him. Yo, what up, Sovereignty? I'm bringing my I just brought my copy trader up, actually. I'm curious if they just pump it or not. Like, it just seems like a headline to pump, or is it going to be like a sell the news type shit? Yo, a Woogie? Yo, isn't that the Star Wars guy? Oh, it's a Wookie. What the fuck is a Woogie? Yo, Maximus, he's eating Wookie over there. Yeah. Joe, I guess no one gives a shit that Trump is talking to China. Because that's usually what happens, coach. They usually pump it up though, right before they pump it up that shit's gonna get done. And then it doesn't. Yo, who's eating Chewbacca sausage? That shit's so funny, Maximus. Field rodents? Bro, I ain't eating no fucking field rodent. No way. I draw the line somewhere. Yeah, it's obviously slowing down. Like it used to be like 100 points. Is that one of your things that you only try once, Dell? Dude, there's no follow through either fucking way. Yo, what up, Slade? Yo, zero follow through either way. What happened? You took one of those pills from the Diddy party and then they made you eat it? Sure code. I normally don't do this. You got to be on the stream earlier and I announce it and it's open. I will open it up for 1 minute right now. That's it. 1 minute. You got to be on earlier if you want to join. If you miss out, you miss out. You can always come back and try again later on. Dude, I am starving. Boom, boom, boom. Bro, that's why you got to be on earlier. It's open. Got to be on. All right. Dude, this is just fucking. Yo, we've gone nowhere for an hour. For an hour. Dude, it's just one big fucking chop. Honestly, I think we're going to blow through the top. I think eventually they're going to push this through the top. You see how we're just building right underneath we're building right underneath the pivot point. It's gonna eventually push through. Once it goes over 86, it's probably gonna go up for a little bit. Yeah, Victor, it's kind of seeming that way. Another grind day to the upside. Just fucking grinding. The top from a few days back, I imagine we're getting close to a market interim top. I mean, yo, what up, Benny? Yo, the whole voice. Bro, long fucking day of trading. Long day, a lot of streaming, a lot of trading. This might be where we break through 86. By the way, just throwing it out there, during lunchtime after the stream, there's going to be a few guys that are trading live in the Discord. You have the ability to talk if you want, voice chat, also to share your screen if you want. That's going to be happening in the Discord. The link is in the description of this video if you've never been there. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know it's in the Discord. Live trading will continue through lunch. Other than that, by the way, also, if you trade My Funded Futures, do not buy a new account. If you trade Starter Plus or Experts, it's 20% off resets. So don't buy a new account. Just reset it. It'll save you money. Oh. It's still grinding up. I think if we get over 86, it's going to explode. I'll add 5 micros for a algo candle up, maybe. I think if it blows through, it's going to blow through. I'm just looking for a scalp on those 5 micros. I have a feeling I'll be holding this trade for a little bit, though. Feels like one of those trades that are going to be... I should take this all off up here just because the account's down and whatnot. Dude, this breaks out. It's probably going to go fucking longer, too. But, all right, guys. Dude, if you guys want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. We're gonna do live trading in the Discord. I'm gonna go get something to eat. You guys, Dell's gonna set it up. Here's the link if anybody wants to go in there. Dell's gonna set it up. Let me get you the link. I need to eat something. This is obviously a good trade. If you're in, you're fucking up. I might just take my shit off. Hopefully they just fill me. I'd like to go to lunch without being in a trade, to be honest with you. So maybe I'll just take that off. And I got to stop it now. I just got stopped out. I don't want to go to lunch and hold this thing, so I'm out. Your skills perform well last one, but now I don't understand. Well, why don't you go in and ask questions? Maybe by seeing someone else in the maybe Dell can help you out. Maybe you like how he has a setup. I don't, you know. You can also screenshot your setup and put it in the chat, and I'll take a look. Maybe you can learn something, or I can give you a little tidbits. But yeah, I am. I got to go eat something. I'm meeting back at 2 p.m. And that's it. My Funded Futures has the discount. Take Profit Traders 30% off, no activation fee. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, I'm going to go eat, and I'll be back at 2 p.m. We'll do an account giveaway. We'll hang out, have some fun, make some trades. All right. Peace.